Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Oh shit. Specifically what I didn't want to happen.
Weg, weg! Ho, ho, ho! Holy shit!
Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it on video. Straight liquor. More coffee than liquor. I mean, more liquor than coffee.
Dat is in.
Cotton shit. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, shit, it hit the tank. It did get it.
On the left.
That was amazing.
Whoa! Oh, that was a stacker truck. Our tree's on fire.
step. We got close. We'll go close. Wind it. Hang on. Three. There it comes. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Shit, it's going down. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.